Alright guys, how's it going? Picked up a little Rough Rider here, and it's Rough Rider with the I, not the Y, and this is RR1069. Let's take a quick look at it. This one caught my eye. I'm quite a fan of the Lockbacks, and this is a Trapper Lockback, and it's in amber jigged bone. Well, I thought it was kind of nice looking. There it is, two blades, nickel silver bolsters. It's got brass pins in this one and brass liners, and the clip blade is a Lockback. Nice clip blade. That looks pretty sharp. Listen, see if we can hear a nice click. Oh yeah, that looks in solid. Quite impressed, solid as rock actually. Yeah, so that blade's got the nice lock back. Good sized knife. I think it's a 3-inch blade, let's check. Yeah, 3-inch overall. About a 2 3/4 cutting edge on it. I think that's a match strike pull, they call that. And it's got the horseshoe, Rough Rider horseshoe, stamped into the tang. I like that. That's one of my favourite tang stamps on the Rough Riders. See how thick the blade is on this. It's about 2.20, just over 2 mil thick. That is a nice blade, I like that. I like the amber jigged bone too. It's really quite nice. Fit and finish on this is really good. Alright, let's check out the other blade. And that works nice too, the lock to unlock. Yeah, pretty nice. Let's check out the spare blade. It's got a decent spring on that. Yeah, locks up pretty nice. Putting quite a bit of weight on here to get it to fold. Again, it's got the horseshoe tang stamp on there. It looks like it's got a good edge on it too. We'll check the edge in a minute. But yeah, it's a nice blade. It's the first Lockback Trapper that I own. I just saw it and it appealed to me. I like old. Look at that. I'm trying to push the lock back. This one doesn't lock, so you can just fold it. I was on autopilot there for a minute. I own a lot of Lockbacks. But yeah, that's real nice. Real pleased with it. Let's see how sharp the blade is. I've got some thin paper here, like telephone book directory thin. Let's check the clip point. Yeah, pretty good. Oh, pulling a bit there. That's because my fingers are wet. Let's check the spare blade, see how sharp that one is. Did we check the width of the spare blade? I expect it's the same as the other one. Yeah. Are we zeroed? Yeah, we're zeroed. Yeah, just over 2.2. Alright, let's see how sharp this one is. Yeah, pretty good. I mean, it's not laser sharp, but it's pretty decent. Better than I was expecting from Rough Rider. Yeah, so there you go guys. Nice spare blade there. I mean, this is just the first impressions video, but I'll pocket carry it for a while, see how it goes. I've got extra large hands and this feels pretty comfortable. Where's my bit of wood? Yeah, I could sit and whittle a bit of wood into a point. I'm no artist, but I can make I can make a point. Alright, thanks for watching guys, catch you later.